Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You walk through your front door after a long, stressful day. Instantly, the lights dim to a soft, warm glow. Your favorite calming music begins to play softly in the background. The air conditioner adjusts to your perfect temperature, and you get a notification on your phone. Welcome home. I've preheated the oven for your favorite lasagna. A chamomile tea will be ready in 5 minutes. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the future we're stepping into. A future where our homes don't just respond to our commands, but anticipate our needs. We're talking about more than just smart light bulbs or voice assistants that play music. We're going to explore the real, tangible future of AI in our homes, where technology seamlessly integrates into the fabric of your life and makes every day feel effortless and intuitive. Prepare to see beyond today's smart appliances and discover the home of tomorrow. So, how does this all work? It's all powered by what we can call the brains of the house, an anticipatory AI. This isn't just a central hub you talk to. It's an intelligent learning system woven into the very structure of your home. Think of it as a silent partner that's always learning, always adapting. This AI gathers information from a network of discrete sensors. Motion sensors track your movement patterns throughout the day. Temperature and humidity sensors learn your comfort zones for different activities. Maybe you like it a bit cooler when you're working out, and warmer when you're settling down to read. Light sensors understand your sensitivity to natural and artificial light. Some advanced systems might even use biometric sensors like a smartwatch or a smart mattress to understand your stress levels, your sleep quality, and your heart rate. Over time, the AI builds a deeply personal profile. It learns that you always make coffee at 7 a.m. on weekdays, but not until 9 a.m. on weekends. It knows you prefer upbeat music in the morning and jazz in the evening. Might even recognize the subtle signs of a stressful day based on your movement patterns or your tone of voice, and proactively create a calming atmosphere for you when you get home. It's not about surveillance, it's about service. The goal is to create a home that truly understands you. This leads to the first incredible benefit: truly personalized environments. Imagine your home as a living canvas that paints the perfect scene for every moment. As you wake up, instead of a jarring alarm, your lights slowly mimic a natural sunrise, gently easing you into the day. The temperature will have already adjusted to your preferred morning setting. As you move into your home office to start your workday, the lighting shifts to a cooler, brighter tone, which studies have shown can improve focus and productivity. The soundscape might subtly change, perhaps playing some gentle ambient noise to block out distractions, all without you having to touch a single button. Then, in the evening, as you wind down, the home transitions with you. The lights warm up and dim, signaling to your brain that it's time to relax. The entertainment system might suggest a movie based on your viewing history and even your current mood, which it might infer from the day's activities. It's about creating a frictionless living experience where your environment is always perfectly in sync with your needs and your state of mind. Now let's talk about something that plagues every homeowner: maintenance. That strange noise from the fridge, the drip from the faucet, the air conditioner that just doesn't seem to cool like it used to. Right now, we usually wait until something breaks completely before we call for help. But with an anticipatory AI, that all changes. This is the power of predictive maintenance. The AI is constantly monitoring the performance of every appliance and system in your house. It listens to the faint hum of the refrigerator's compressor, it measures the water flow through the pipes, and it tracks the energy consumption of your HVAC system. It has access to the normal operating parameters for every single device. When it detects a tiny anomaly, a slight increase in the motor's vibration, small drop in water pressure, or a spike in energy use that suggests a component is working too hard, it flags it. It knows that this small deviation, invisible and inaudible to you, is an early warning sign of a potential failure. Instead of waking up to a flooded kitchen, you'll get a notification on your phone that says, "The dishwasher's water inlet valve is showing signs of wear. It's operating at 85% efficiency. I found 3 certified plumbers in the area and have their availability. Would you like me to schedule an appointment?" The AI could even order the necessary replacement part automatically, ensuring the technician has it on hand when they arrive. This shifts homeownership from a reactive, stressful chore to a proactive, managed experience. It saves you time, money, and the massive headache of unexpected breakdowns. Let's expand on this idea of the home as a health and wellness partner. The future smart home isn't just about convenience. It's about actively contributing to your well-being. Imagine a bathroom mirror that isn't just a mirror. As you brush your teeth, it could analyze your skin for changes, monitor your heart rate, and even detect subtle indicators of your health. It might notice you seem a bit dehydrated and remind your kitchen to suggest you drink a glass of water. Your bed will do more than just provide a place to sleep. It'll become a sophisticated sleep lab, tracking your sleep cycles, tossing and turning, and even your breathing patterns. In the morning, it won't just give you a sleep score. It will provide actionable insights. You entered deep sleep 20 minutes later than usual last night. The room temperature was 2 degrees warmer. I recommend cooling the room slightly tonight for better rest. The kitchen becomes your personal nutritionist. As you plan your meals, the smart fridge, aware of its contents, can suggest recipes based on what you have and your dietary goals. It could say, you have chicken, broccoli, and quinoa. I can show you a recipe for a healthy grain bowl that aligns with your fitness plan. If it knows you're low on a certain vitamin based on your diet tracking, it could suggest meals rich in that nutrient. It's about making healthy choices the easiest choices. And what about security? AI will take home security far beyond simple cameras and alarms. The system will learn the rhythm of your home, the typical times people come and go, the cars that usually park in your driveway, even the sound of your dog's bark versus a stranger's. It can differentiate between a package being delivered and someone suspiciously lingering by your door. If it detects an anomaly, like a window opening when you're not home, it won't just blare an alarm. It can take a series of intelligent actions, locking all doors, turning on all the lights, sending a live video feed directly to your phone and the security company, and even broadcasting a vocal warning through the home speakers. This intelligent, context-aware security provides not just a reaction, but a smart, preventative defense for your home and family. This level of integration might sound a little intimidating. Are we creating homes that are too smart? The key is ethics and user control. The future of this technology depends on putting you, the homeowner, firmly in the driver's seat. All this data collection must be transparent and customizable. You should have granular control over what the AI tracks and what it doesn't. You can decide you want it to. Manage your climate and lighting, but not your dietary habits. The power to set boundaries is crucial for building trust. Data privacy will be paramount. The most secure systems will process the majority of data locally within your home rather than sending everything to the cloud. This edge computing model ensures that the intimate details of your life stay within your four walls. For any data that does need to be shared, like for ordering a part, it will be anonymized and encrypted. Building this future responsibly is just as important as building the technology itself. So, when will this future arrive? It's not as far off as you might think. We're already seeing the building blocks of this technology today. Smart thermostats that learn your schedule, refrigerators with internal cameras, and security systems that can tell the difference between a person and a pet. The next step is connecting these individual smart devices into a single, cohesive AI brain that can orchestrate them all. Companies are already investing billions in developing these integrated AI ecosystems. In the next 5 to 10 years, we'll start seeing the first truly anticipatory homes coming onto the market. It will start with high-end new constructions and slowly become more accessible, just like any other technology. The home of the future is a home that cares for you, simplifies your chores, enhances your well-being, and gives you back your most valuable resource, time. It's a silent partner, working in the background to make your life just a little bit better every single day. What do you think? Are you excited for a home that anticipates your every need? Or does it sound a bit too intrusive? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thank you so much for joining me on this look into the future. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep exploring how technology is shaping our world, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Till next time, stay curious.